Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley if you are new here. So we are in September. We are getting into the fall season. So it's still like 95 degrees in New York. It's pretty hot. We're in September, fall is coming. So I wanted to get started on some fall looks. I'm going to be doing some Halloween looks too. So let me know down below what Halloween looks you guys want to see. But this look, I wanted to do, I know a lot of people do a lot of warm tones for the falls like browns and oranges, but I really want to do something like wine-ish, kind of matching my shirt. I used basically all affordable products. This took me about 10 minutes to do. It's super wearable. There's no liner. It's just very easy, very wearable. And yeah, I promise my next look, I'm going to be doing a couple more fall looks. I promise my next one will be even more natural for everyone who likes extremely natural makeup. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here using basically all affordable products, it took me 10 minutes to do, extremely wearable, then please keep watching. Also, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe before you go, and make sure you turn on post notifications. That way you get notified every time I post. So my face is already primed. I'm actually testing out a new primer for another video, but it's not affordable, so I'm not even going to say it. But you can use the e.l.f. primer for this look. You can use any primer you have at home. I really like the Maybelline one, the purple one. So these two are my favorite affordable primers at the moment. So if I wasn't testing out a primer, I would be. But I think I'm going to start with my eyes. So I wanted this to be very affordable, very wearable, and very easy. If you follow me on Instagram or if you watch my other videos, I get a little crazy with eye makeup. I don't know, I like colors, I like playing. It's just fun for me. Especially when I'm like alone with my camera, I can just go crazy on my eyes. But I want this to actually be wearable, that people can wear it outside. That's where we're at. I want it to be very easy. I want it to be, you know, someone getting ready for work on the go. And yeah, and also I know it's like still like 95 degrees outside, but it's September, fall's coming. So I want to get this up for you guys. So yeah, let's get started. So this is affordable, but not everything is going to be drugstore. Like the palette, it may be a little pricey, but that's probably the only thing that's going to be pricey. I personally, when I want to do like affordable looks, I also want to use products that I truly like. I'm not just going to go to the drugstore and get any products to show you guys because, I mean, that's not really my final thoughts on products. For my eyes, I'm going to be going in with the Violet Vloss Holy Grail palette. Starting off by taking the shade Tag right up here. So I'm applying this right into my crease. I'm applying it a little bit higher than my crease because I wanted to open my eyes a little bit. Then I'm going to pick up the shade Wine and Dine. I think it's like the perfect shade for my shirt. I really couldn't find anything with like a wine shade in my collection. I couldn't find anything but this palette. But I do like this palette a lot. And this is going in my crease as well. The same spot where the orange is, except maybe just a little bit lower so it blends nicer. I'm going to go back in with the same blending brush I used before and just blend in all my work. And then for my lid, I'm going to go in with two shades. I'm going to go in with the shade So Jelly right here and On Fleek. I'm going to take the shade on So Jelly and that's going to go in the front of my lid. And then I'm going to take the shade On Fleek and that's going to go right next to it so it's extremely blended and it's just not one shade on the lid. It gives it a little bit of like a glammy look, but super effortless and super wearable. And look how effortlessly this blended in. It's gorgeous. I love the shade So Jelly. It's so perfect. Then we're going to take the shade Thanks a Latte, which is this white shade, and that's just going to go right underneath my brows. And yeah, that's all we're going to do for the eyes. I think it's so soft. It's not too much. It's very fall. And yeah, let's just get on to the face. I'm going to be taking my Revlon Candid Photo Ready Foundation. After I reviewed this, I've been loving it. And put it everywhere. And then I'm going to blend it in. I have been really loving this L'Oreal sponge. It's so soft. It's softer than the Beauty Blender. And the finish of it, oh, it's amazing. I don't know why. Like, I have my Beauty Blender right here also. Actually, I have a bunch of Beauty Blenders. Like, I have 3 clean ones right here. I want to have 2 black ones here, and then I have another one there. Like, I have a whole bunch of Beauty Blenders, and I grabbed this one. I really like this. For concealer, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Light. I'm not going to be highlighting. I'm just going to conceal my darkness because this is supposed to be easy and quick and on the go. On the go fall tutorial. And then if I have extra, I'll just put it on the spots I would highlight. Okie dokie. Then to set all of that, I'm going to be using my favorite set, my drugstore setting powder. I love the Rimmel Stay Matte setting powder. Alright, let's bring some color back into my face. The Neutrogena Healthy Skin Natural Radiance Bronzer in the shade 30 Sun Kissed. I'm going to take my brush. Oh, this hit the pan. I kind of want to give my skin just all together a little bit of a tan, little color. I'm going to take the bronzer booster first, and I like using that with my Real Techniques brush. And I just put this everywhere. I like this because it's not too dark to put all over the face. Because then you could still go in with your regular bronzer and warm up the skin, highlight, whatever it is you like to do. So back into the Neutrogena. Blush, I'm taking my favorite BH Cosmetics blush palette. I'm going to take this shade right here, right in the center. It's kind of a little bit of a darker blush. Back into this palette, I'm going to take Why Not again, and that's going to go right underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to take the shade Hashtag, that orangey shade we were using, and that's going to go right under it to diffuse it. And then I'm going to go in with my eyebrow, but I'm going to be using the My Precisely brow pencil. Again, I don't have a drugstore brow pencil that I like, so this is what I will be using. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Push Up Falsies Angels. I always have people asking me about my lashes. They're not extensions, they're actually my natural lash. I have really long lashes, and everyone in my family has long eyelashes. Alright, so now that mascara is on, I'm going to go in with this Dose of Colors lip gloss in the shade Seriously. I feel like a wearable look is kind of lip gloss rather than a matte lipstick. Not everyone wants to wear a matte lipstick every day. And this is a little bit of a tint, so it gives it some fall vibes. Oh, that's gorgeous. I just got this in the mail. It's on sale at Ulta for $10. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. I don't really have any lip glosses that are like dark. I feel like all my lip glosses are like nude or pink. Wow. That's so nice. I kind of want to go get more. So I went ahead and straightened my hair real quick. But yeah, this is the final look. This probably took me about 10 minutes aside from my hair. This probably took me 10 minutes. I think it's so wearable. The colors kind of give it a little bit extra, but there's no eyeliner, there's no winged liner, there's no darkness in the eyes, there's mascara. Yeah, I thought this was super easy to do. I used basically all affordable products. So yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to do a couple more fall looks, and then I promise the next one I'll make it even more natural. And I'll make sure to use everyone's favorites, browns and oranges and just warm tone colors. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are not already, please don't forget to subscribe before you go. And I will see you all in my next video.